Yeah. Then we have the cross pluck. So they pluck, okay?
Here?
Yeah, you pluck, okay, split. Don't, if you can't get that one, okay, if I can't get this one, you can split to the other side. That one. Yeah. So here, traditionally you can seal,
Okay.
and then you can, so what are things here,
Yeah, for sure.
right? Watch, it's cross-aligned, so you gotta use your back leg. Here, then this is gonna hook.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So it's a
Yeah.
step. Okay.
There's other things too if you watch. So Secrets of the Masters.
Goodness.
Here.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's kind of like your brush knees.
Yeah.
Yeah.